My older son, Nico, was born in 2005. He passed away almost when he was 19 years old. And that was in February 13. I will never forget that day. For some reason, it's like his birth. Nightingale have helped me in a way that I could tribute my son without feeling guilt, and also feel that I don't want to think about him, that I have anger, that I did something wrong. I feel that he's being honored every day we come here. Even though you can count the number of people, you feel a big crowd. And that is the most beautiful feeling.
Melba and her family's story is just one example of how Nightingale builds a more compassionate community, one where no child or family grieves alone. Since 2019, Nightingale has supported thousands of families in Guelph, Wellington who are living with or anticipating the death of a significant person in their lives. Our mission at Nightingale is to compassionately support grieving children, youth, and their families, empowering them to grow in their grief through community, connection, and hope. We do this by offering no-cost grief support group programs and services, which include our in-home family visiting program, grief support group programs, memorial events, education, consultation, and resources. In just a few short years, Nightingale has come so far, but there is still so much work to be done. As a small organization, we truly rely on the support of hundreds of volunteers and our community every single year. In Guelph and Wellington, 4,000 children will experience the death of someone significant in their lives before they turn 18 years old. Imagine a more grief-literate community that can talk openly and better support one another when faced with death, dying, grief, and loss, something that we have or will all experience in our lives. Imagine a community where no child or family grieves alone because you chose to help. One thing we know for sure at Nightingale is that when children grieve well, they go on to live well and love well. With your support at Nightingale, we will be able to grow and provide our programs and services, scale our resources, and help build a more grief-literate community where we open up the conversation around grief, death, and loss. You can help change the way that our community sees and experiences grief, and you can help us build a community where no child or family grieves alone. Thank you for helping us continue to provide these programs and services and change the lives of so many grieving children, youth, and families in our community.